friends, hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to share my Eva Halal haul with you all. So if you want to know what all products I got, then please keep on watching. So I have few products in here which I got from purplle.com, and randomly I'll just pick it up and share it with you. So I got 3 products, and with them I got the flyer of Eva Halal, in which they have all the product list, what all they have in their different categories: perfumes, others, foundation, lipsticks, and face wash, soaps, hair care, and hair oil as well. So yes, this is the flyer which I got with the products, and the very first product is this Eva Halal Care Fairness Instant Facial. This is 3-in-1 wash, scrub and mask product, and it says that it naturally whiten complex plus rose, and with rose petals, multani mitti and walnut scrub. It leaves skin visibly fair, clean and soft. So yes, this is the product, and it retails for rupees 115, and you get 100 gram of product. So this is 100 gram tube. It has a screw cap over here, and let me show you the product consistency. This is nice paste sort of consistency it has got, not at all runny and not at all too thick. It is nice, it spreads nicely as you can see, and it has very minute granules in it, walnut granules, and it has got rose petals as well, which also when you scrub your face also helps in scrubbing, which is very good. But I suggest you to whenever you are scrubbing your face, please do it with gentle hands. Don't rub it with hard hands too much, and do it only for 1 or 2 minutes, because too much of scrubbing is also not good for skin. So yes, this is how it looks, and it says that it is 3-in-1 product. So first you can just scrub or wash your face like this, and then you can just leave it like this for a minute or so. It will dry out, and then you can wash it off with normal water. This is how it works. It claims that it leaves skin visibly fair, clean and soft. So by no means I am promoting any fairness product on my channel. I use this product just to get rid of pigmentation which I get on my face, because it is made up of all natural ingredients. No artificial products or chemicals are there in it. So that's why I'm using it, and as you can see that it is drying out, and when I wash my face it leaves my skin nice, and I can easily see the difference in my skin, that it has cleansed my face nicely. But I like to use it only once a week, because it has a base ingredient in this is multani mitti, which is very good for normal to oily skin people. For me, it is a little bit on a drying side if I'm leaving it as a face pack. Till the time I'm using it as a scrub, it is fine, but if I use it as a face pack as well, it leaves my skin a little bit drying, so I need to apply the moisturizer. Other than that, it is perfect. It has very nice rose scent in it, which is so refreshing, and if you are feeling dull or lazy, you can easily just pick this product and do a 1-minute massage and facial sort of a thing at home only, and it is very relaxing and soothing as well. So it is a nice product, and the very good part of Eva Halal product is that they are cruelty free. So it is there is no animal testing. They are 100% vegan, and this is recyclable as well. So yes, this now coming to the second product. This is Eva Halal Care Deep Nourishing Overnight Cream. It comes in this outer pack. All the details and everything are listed on the pack itself. It retails for rupees 125, and you get 50 gram of product. Again, it is cruelty free. There is no animal testing, 100% vegan and recyclable. And here comes the actual product. This is very lightweight cream, although it has got so much of product inside it, as you can see, and I have used it for like quite some time, and as you can see the product, it is very light, and you just need little bit of product, and it spreads so nicely on the face. Let me show you the consistency. Icing cream on cakes, that sort of a texture it has got, like this, very nice and easily spreads on the skin, and it genuinely leaves the skin so nice and nourished. I use it daily, at the bedtime only, and because it is night cream, so I use it at bedtime only. And the main ingredients in this product is olive oil and shea butter. It has got a little bit of jasmine scent in it, which is okay, not that much overpowering, because I'm not a big fan of jasmine. I like more of rose scents, so yes, it's okay. It's not that overpowering. It stays for a good 10 minutes, I guess, and after that it just fades off, so no issues with the scent. You do not like jasmine at all, then it might bother your nose a little bit. Other than that, this is a very nice cream. It leaves my skin very nice and moisturized. When I wake up in the morning, I feel that my skin is nice and hydrated. So yes, this is the best part, and it has not given me any breakouts or any sort of irritation on my face. So again, a thumbs up for this product. Yes, this has become my current favorite night cream, because I've been searching for a long time a good nighttime or bedtime cream for myself to get pamper my skin at the nighttime as well. So I finally found this one and I like it. And do not forget to follow my blog as well, because I will be coming with all the details of each and every product on my blog post. So to get updated, please follow my blog as well. And the last product is this Iba Halal Pure Lip Moisture Rich Lipsticks. It's come this in pretty magenta color packaging, outer packaging, and this is in shade Pure Red, number A62. All the details is going to be in the description box, so please check that out. It retails for rupees 195 and you get 4 gram of product, which is super duper affordable. And the key ingredient of this lipstick is shea butter, coconut oil, vitamin E, aloe vera. So this is very good if you want some nourishment to your skin, to your lips, and if you want color as well, and at the same time you want some kind of care as well, so you can use this product. Let me show you the actual product. It comes in this golden sort of packaging, nice. But the only issue which I get about this lipstick is the cap is not very tight, so accidentally it gets open in my purse, and which I don't like about it. I just hope that this is the only issue with this particular packing only. Rest of the lipstick should be fine itself. So yes, here's the product, and this is a gorgeous red color with a hint of orange in it. And right now I am wearing this lipstick on my lips. It is very nice and it glides on lips so nicely because it has got shea butter and coconut oil, so it is not at all drying at all. Rather than it hydrates the lips so nicely. And yes, but the only thing is that it stays for only 2 to 3 hours, and that's it. And again, you have to touch it up. If you are eating and having meals, then it's gonna go at the same time, so you have to again reapply it. This is not long lasting, and this is not at all transfer proof as well. Let me show you. It transfers as well, and let me show you the swatch on my hands as well. See? So what I feel is that in the bullet the color is very pigmented, but when I swatch it on my lips as well, it is not that pigmented, so I need to apply 1 or 2 coats to get that maximum pigmentation from the lipstick. So yeah, that's the one more thing which you need to keep it in mind if you're buying this lipstick. Other than that, this is a nice option if you want just a hint of color on your lips, then you can go for it. And it is a very bright color, so good to just freshen up your face instantly. So yes, I like this lipstick a lot. Are the products which I got this time from purplle.com, and I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, then please do leave it in the comment bar. Hit the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.